Okay, so here I have the bed assist rail from LEACHOI. I'm going to go over how to assemble this step by step and then show you how to install it onto your bed. But we'll start with assembling it. It's really simple. There's minimal tools to use if you use an Allen wrench at one point, but let's hop into it. I'll show you how to get it assembled. So the first part is just putting on the handle. One thing I found that makes it easier is actually just to Velcro off this pocket to start with. You can put it back on really easy. It's just two Velcro pieces, but that makes screwing in the handle just a lot simpler to do. Okay, so now that we got that off, there's going to be two holes on the handle, and all you have to do is line this up and then put in the two screws and put them into place with the Allen wrench. So let's do that right now. Okay, so now that we got the top part of the handle complete, we can do the bottom portion of it, and that is just sliding these poles into place and then using the smaller clamps to lock them into their spot. There's going to be a hole right here. You just need to line up the two holes and put the clamps through. Really simple to do. We'll get this step knocked out right now. Okay, so now our handle is fully complete. We can move on to putting the base together, and then we'll connect the whole thing and we'll install it after that. All right, so let's put the base together right now. The first part is just sliding on the bottom of it. All you need to do is just get this lined up. There's gonna be two little pins that you just need to push in, and they'll pretty much do the work for you and move into place. And then it'll lock on there. As you can see, we're good to go. We can move on to the final step, which is connecting the whole product together. Now to do that, all you need to do is slide this in. Whatever way you want the handle, at this point would probably be the time I would decide that. I'm gonna go with it towards my head, so I'm gonna put it on this way. We're gonna line up the handle into the base, slide her down, and there's gonna be a little bit bigger clamps, and those are what you're gonna use to secure the whole product. Okay, so now it is fully assembled. That took me, maybe 5 minutes to do. I'm gonna put the storage bag back on there and we'll install it onto my bed. Okay, so now we can install it onto the bed. They do give you a strap where you can put it onto the bed rail and then wrap it around your bed frame to make it more secure. This is totally optional. Personally, I never use it, but if you do want to use it, it's there for you. I just put it in there without it, and then whenever I want to remove it, it makes it a little bit easier to do that. But totally up to you if you want to use it or not, but let's get this thing installed. So, to do that, all you gotta do is lift up your mattress. It's really straightforward. We'll lift the mattress up, slide it under there, and it's now secure and ready to use. I'm about 200 pounds. Putting all my weight on it right now. It's holding me even without the strap. It's good to go. So, if your loved one is having issues getting in and out of bed, this is an awesome option that's going to be affordable for them, and also just going to make that whole process of exiting and entering your bed just a whole lot more convenient. So this product gets 2 thumbs up from me.